Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to the third and final aspect of the wild feminine triad, and it is sound. And this is such a big one because the history of women, our expression, has been so suppressed for so long. This can bring up a lot for you, and so we're just setting the context of this being a safe space to let yourself be heard and be expressed and allow it to be messy. A lot of us have a perfectionist tendency, and yeah, there's perfection in the messiness, in the rawness of the full feminine, full spectrum expression. A big part of it is raw and primal and loud. As children we were told to sit down and be quiet and behave and be a good girl and, kind of put us in this little box. And a lot of us are just ready to unleash our full feminine power. So it's gonna build. So we're gonna stay connected to our breath. We're gonna be moving our body, and we're going to incorporate sound. It's gonna take it to a whole other level, and you're gonna feel it in your body. So this is continuing to activate your divine femininity deeper and deeper and deeper, and just always loving awareness. Notice what comes up for you. So you can close your eyes if that feels good, so you can really focus on this intimate experience with you and your femininity. So we'll take some deep breaths in the nose, and then we are going to make a sound on the exhale while we move or wiggle or shake our body. So these are called tantric breaths, combining breath movement and sound. So ready, a deep inhale in the nose. And then sound and wiggle. Good again. Deep inhale in the nose. And sound and shake. Good. One more. Deep inhale in the nose. And sound and move. Beautiful. Now let these next breaths, movements, and sounds continue to be intuitive. Start breathing and moving and sounding in ways that feel good. Feel how your throat is connected to your vulva. Notice the channel that goes all the way through your body. Feel it in all of your chakras and your organs permeating as you sound different sounds. Ooh. Yes. Yes. And let's see how a yes feels in your body. Say yes 3 times. Yes. 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 And now let's say no, and just notice how your no feels in your body as you continue to breathe and move. No. 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 Yeah, they feel so different. Just noticing what our yes and what our no feels like. Ooh. Let the sounds be raw. Have fun. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just connecting more deeply to our feminine essence, to our feminine power through our breath, the way that we move our body, and the sounds that we make. Shakti, 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 Shakti. Amazing. So you can come back to stillness, returning back to silence, and coming back to our breath, the foundation of it all, and just noticing how you feel in your body, where your mind is at, how you're feeling emotionally, just with loving awareness. Notice, notice, notice. What was that like for you? You can journal. What was that like for you? What came up for you? What is your relationship to sound and expression? Such a core aspect of the wild feminine. You did absolutely amazing. I honor you, and I will see you in the next final video.